Hey family and friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Margaret and I hope you'll join my YouTube family by subscribing. Today's video is a little different from my usual cooking content. I just found out that a fair is in my neighborhood and today is the opening day. Unfortunately, I'm getting ready to leave for a previously planned trip, so I won't be able to stay long, but I wanted to stop by, check it out, and share the experience with you all. Come along with me as we take a look around the fair and see what opening day has to offer. Let's go. Okay, I hope I'm not trespassing. Oh, it don't look like I'm trespassing. Look like everything has been starting to set up. Ooh, interesting. Alright guys, this is opening day apparently. I had no idea, but this is good. There's absolutely nobody on the fairground at the moment. Wonderful. Now I'm going to take full advantage. And you guys will be sneaking in with me. Well, we're not sneaking in, but we're going to be early. Yes. Oh, this looks like it's going to be fun. I wish if I could come back. Look at all that, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my lord. Okay, I've never seen this one. Oh, they're little helicopters. Oh, that is so cute. That's adorable. Oh, there are families here. Interesting. I have no idea what this one is. Okay. Oh, look like it's gonna start up here. The little helicopter one. Oh, this is so... Oh, there's a little girl in there already. Interesting. Oh, she is good. She can have the choice of her own pickings there. I like that. Oh, wait, hold up. Ooh, the food stuff is to the back there. Cotton candy. I used to like those, but they're too sweet. Nah. Oh, now there is a thing. Fresh lemon squeeze juice. Interesting. What is this? Oh, the little teacup. Oh, my sister loved the little teacup. I could see her in there. Okay, this is nice. Oh, the Ferris wheel. We'll get there in a few minutes. What do we have over here? Oh, guys, I'm making a detour. My sister other favorite, the turkey leg. And they find out how long they got. What time you guys close today?
Maybe 10.
10?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I could come back for a turkey leg. How much is the turkey leg?
20 for the turkey.
20 for the turkey leg?
Yeah,
all right. Okay, so let's take a look around. Oh, the goldfish game. Is it a game they play for to get this? Or can you just buy the little goldfish? I think you can buy the little goldfish. Oh no, this is new. I've never seen a strawberry. Have you guys ever seen a strawberry ride? I've never seen a strawberry ride before. Oh wow. My sister's favorite, the teacup. Guys, we went to Disney and that was what my sister... And the elephant, the Dumbo elephant, my sister loved those. Don't ask. I wish if we could see how the strawberry one would go. Oh, there's a few families here. The early birds. Ferris wheel. How many of you guys like Ferris wheel? I don't like Ferris wheel. Maybe I would like it, but when I get to the top, we have to come down. That's the part. No. Not my cup of tea. Speaking of cup of tea. Perfect segue, isn't it? Oh, okay. Here are some nice goodies. Oh, this is gonna be quite interesting. Okay, let me know what you guys like that when you guys come out here to see this. What is this one? Oh, this is a little bench that you sit in. And touchdown. I guess that's football. Yep. I'm going backwards a little bit, guys. Oh, that's because somebody's in the little teacup thing. Oh, this look like it's gonna. Oh, there's a line already. Look at that. We walked over there and there weren't a line. Now look at it. There's a line. That was quick. And if you don't have enough cash, there's an ATM too. I hope the weekend will be nice for them to enjoy this. So there's no excuse. Wait, hold up, hold up, hold up. Is that a funnel cake? They have funnel cake too? Lord. Yeah, that's me trying to do a selfie, but that wasn't working clearly. Oh, there is my head. You can actually see me. Interesting. I was trying to get the Ferris wheel in my background, but the sun was again. The sun was in my eyes, so I couldn't see properly. Anyway, guys, that was a nice try. Oh, look how the ride is. Oh, this one is different. This one goes in different. Oh, okay. Very interesting. I guess they were just testing it, I guess. Are there anybody in there? They don't look like anybody's in there. But there's another ride with some little kids in there already. I was the ones that was on the other side when we came in, when we walked in. This is the football one. I would not have a clue what to do with it. Oh, okay, guys, look at how the chopper go up. You work its way up. That is nice. Oh, that is crazy. You see that right at the back there, guys? Look at that. Oh, they are mad. I have my cousin and my nieces would love that. My stomach is bugging just looking at it. Ooh, God bless them. No, 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 no. Oh, the choppers are down now. If you guys love those rides, you let me know which ride you guys like. Cause I don't think so. Okay, this fair don't look like it has a lot of rides, but it has the few rides that it has is very interesting.
Go home.
Oh, this is a goldfish thing, guys. Oh, you have to throw stuff in the bucket. Nope. Oh, here's another ride. The swing. Oh no. Oh, I don't think so. Lord, help them. I know they're having fun. Oh, guys. I would go to the fair, but I go to the fair for turkey legs, funnel cake, and sometimes the fried bars, the fried candy bars. Depends. Oh, now there's a dog. That's a big dog. Look at that dog. Move. Alright. Thank you so much for coming along with me to explore the fair. Even though I could not stay very long, I was leaving for a previously planned trip. I had a great time sharing a little bit of opening day with you all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite fair food or ride is. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching, and as always, God bless you, and I will see you in my next video.